Hi, this is Matt Norman with MarineMax Clearwater. Thank you for clicking on this absolutely gorgeous Sea Ray 190 SPX in a quantum blue hull color. White bottom on a trailer with a Merc 115 Pro XS. Nice blue bimini to accent it with stone gray upholstery interior. Give you guys an up close look in detail at this boat and walk you guys through it. The quantum blue has just been a killer color for us in Sea Ray. Matches that bimini really well. Guys, this is a 8.4 beam on a 19.6 overall sport boat. This boat is going to feel like a 20 or 21 footer. You first notice a lot of space on the aft swim platform, as well as the lounge seat. A very social cockpit, captain's chair for the helm, and then a companion seat on the port side for the passenger. That forward bench has the option to pop out and stow under the aft bench seat, giving a passenger leg room, or obviously combine to form a little love seat. And we can see the nice appointments of the dual cup holders and stainless grab handle. Hidden under the aft lounger is a monster bulk storage spot for bags or deflated towables, and divided storage to the left. This is all vented. Gas shocks to lift that lounge seat up, and then behind the lounge seat is the ski pole. And before we get too much further to the bow, I want to show you guys under this hatch. Sea Ray's got a hidden removable cooler. Great spot to have a cooler on board, take it up to the house, remove stuff out of it for the day, but have it not be cluttered in the cockpit. Also the battery switch and battery is in that hatch. Stainless clamshell or cam latches that compress and really keep the hatch from vibrating or and deaden the noise. In the floor, in the cockpit is a monster ski locker. Can also hold fishing rods if you want to dual purpose fit this boat, or just, you know, anything that requires large opening. Convenient out of the way. Taking a close look at the helm here, we got a 5-inch Simrad center mounted, along with tack and engine trim and fuel gauge. You got your Fusion head unit, and you're switching to the port side of the helm. That's a tilt helm, by the way. And the captain chair's swivel, as well as move fore and aft, and bolster up to make it very convenient to switch to a standing position if you prefer. Captain's seat's got helm and power connections. On the port side, we got a convenient glove compartment for quick grab items, and then a carpeted dry storage hatch to the port. The center window folds back, giving clean access to the bow seating area with grab handles, cup holders, backrested upholstery. Very comfortable, easy seating for 3 adults, and there's storage under the cushions as well. And panning back here to an overall shot of the cockpit looking from the bow seating. A lot of room on this 190 SPX. The stone upholstery just pops nicely on the white gel coat. Won't get hot, won't show the dirt. If you have any questions, you can reach me directly on my cell phone, area code 239-849-4719, or visit us here at MarineMax Clearwater. Be sure to follow and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more walkthrough videos like this on all of our models and brands that we have. Give you guys a quick shot of our 80,000 square foot showroom under air conditioning. Full lineup of Whaler, Sea Ray. We have some Galleon yachts, Aquila power catamarans. Man, that quantum blue just pops so nice with that blue bimini. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for spending the time, and we hope to see you on the water.